There is some really interesting research out this week on global water consumption. And if you're like me, you're a little concerned about how much strain is being put on our water systems worldwide. And what this research did was it analyzed population aging, that is, declining birth rates and increased longevity, and how those two trends actually contribute to declining use worldwide. And what they found is that when we are younger, we tend to consume more water. We tend to be more physically active. We tend to participate in more strenuous activities. And of course, for a good chunk of the population, they're still growing, so they need that water to grow. Now, every region of the world is different. Some are aging faster than others, and if you take a look at a place like Southeast Asia, and East Asia in particular, you'll find that those populations are aging at an incredibly fast rate. So researchers have suggested that their water consumption might drop anywhere from 40 to 60+%. Now, if you're an environmentalist, if you're concerned about the future of our water security, this has got to be good news. But the good news isn't applied everywhere globally, because there are parts of the world that are still growing very fast, including sub-Saharan Africa, which has struggled with water in the past. Now, water security there won't get any better anytime soon because birth rates, despite coming down in recent years, still remain incredibly high, with the average birth rate in nations ranging from 5 to 7 babies per woman in their lifetime. Now, they won't see any change anytime soon. In fact, their problems might be more acute. But for the rest of the world, places like the United States and Europe, water consumption will in fact go down. Now, there will be other things that will contribute to water usage staying high. Of course, the rise of data centers and the rise of processing in particular. But overall, this is a pretty interesting and good sign, and of course, the first time this kind of research has ever been done on this scale. So let me know what you think in the comments. Of course, like and subscribe and follow if you can on my Substack at populationnext.com, where you'll find deeper dives on these issues.